This animated story was created using Grok AI, and it didn't cost a single dollar.
Luna hovers above a sparkling meadow, mesmerized by the endless starry sky. A bright star falls into a shimmering pond. Luna flutters down, nudging the star, but it slips deeper into the water. She calls her firefly
Firefly,
friends,
let's
and
take that
together
star.
they dive
We're
to
right
save
behind
the
you, Luna.
star.
Dive in.
Safely on the shore, the star twinkles in gratitude as Luna smiles. Luna and the star dance under the moonlight, lighting up the meadow with magic. The star floats
Goodbye,
back to
Luna.
the sky,
Thank you for
waving
everything.
Goodbye, my
as
friend.
Luna
I'll
watches
always remember
proudly.
you.
Forget about those overpriced V3 subscriptions and the constant worry about running out of credits. What if I told you that you could produce unlimited AI animations without spending a dime? While everyone else is burning through their budget, there's a smarter path to creating professional stories. And it's surprisingly simple once you know the trick. To kick things off, we need a script. I'm using ChatGPT to architect our narrative, but any AI will work. We'll prompt it to draft a 7-scene story with a Disney Pixar aesthetic. This structure is key for timing, but feel free to customize the style to fit your own vision. Since Grok generates 5-second clips, our 7-scene story about Luna and the Lost Star will result in a beautiful 35-second animation. The plot follows Luna, a curious firefly who leads a rescue mission to save a fallen star from a pond. This kind of magical, glow-in-the-dark setting is perfect for showing off what AI can do with lighting and reflections. Now that our scenes are set, let's move to the next phase and turn these ideas into visual prompts. To make Luna's world look professional, I used a specific strategy. I instructed the AI to transform each scene into a vivid AI prompt, ensuring a seamless visual narrative. The goal was to preserve that high-quality Disney Pixar style with rich details and expressive characters in every shot. By doing this, we create a set of instructions that keeps the lighting, the meadow, and Luna herself perfectly consistent from the first frame to the last. Now, let's bring Luna to life. In the prompt box, select Image and set your aspect ratio to 16:9 for that cinematic look. We'll start by entering the prompt for Scene 1, a tiny, curious firefly named Luna hovering over a sleepy, glowing meadow under a starry night sky, Pixar style. Once Grok generates the options, pick the one that captures Luna's character best. Pro tip, click the 3 dots and save your favorite image. This will be the foundation for our entire animation. Now, it's time to animate. We'll use this image as our start frame and repaste the same prompt into the video box. If the first result isn't perfect, for example, if Luna's wings look a bit glitchy, don't hesitate to hit redo. Once you get that perfect shot of Luna hovering, use the upscale video feature to maximize the quality. To make Luna's story flow like a real movie, we'll use a pro trick. Go to the very end of your first scene and copy video frame from the last second. We'll use this frame as the starting point for Scene 2, where the star falls. This ensures that Luna and the meadow remain perfectly consistent between clips. Follow this same process for the rest of the scenes. Always make the end of the previous shot the beginning of the next one. If Grok struggles with a specific action, like Luna diving into the pond, tweak the prompt slightly to emphasize the movement. This creates a seamless cinematic experience. With all 7 scenes visually complete, it's time to give the story its soul. We'll head back to ChatGPT to write the narration, but with a twist. Ask for performance notes. We don't just want words, we want to know how they should be delivered, whether it's with wonder, calm, or excitement. For top-tier quality, we'll use ElevenLabs V3. Select a warm storytelling voice like James, paste your script along with the performance cues, and generate a cinematic voiceover that breathes life into Luna's journey. The final step is bringing it all together in CapCut. Arrange your clips in order, drop in the narration, and sync the visuals to the story. You can add soft background music or subtle sound effects, like a water splash when the star falls, to add depth. And that's it. We've transformed Luna and the Lost Star from a simple idea into a fully animated short film using Grok AI for free. If you're ready to take your AI animation skills to the next level, stick around for the next video.